dimmers, 1, 2, 3, 4. The specialty of these dimmers are basically we cannot push this. These are touch dimmers. These are the new products which is still not available in India market. So we are going to present it in India market from today onwards, in which we can like place like this and like this. Go forward, the light will glow, and if we'll go downward, it will shut down. So no need to push it. So this is a fancy switching, we can say, and it is based on the IoT platform. You can see these are the under this there is a circuit which is connected with our cloud, and cloud is connected with our application names eHome IoT. So basically this switch, if you don't want to touch also, you can control it by using the application eHome IoT. So these are the belongs to the switches of dimmer, and these are our retrofitting. If there is a old home which where already there are switches already in a use, so you no need to replace the switches. Just open the switch and put the input and take out the output. Only keep inside your switch box. Then your normal switch become smart. Then also that normal switch control can be controlled by your mobile phone device, or it can be controlled by Alexa or Google Assistants using this retrofit. This small device can control 2 switches maximum, 1 switch or 2 switch, and both the switches capacity should be 10 ampere, and these switches also belongs to 10 ampere. If you want to go beyond the 10 ampere like 16 ampere, then we have a device like this one. This is also touch switch. This we can do it in a 16 ampere and 10 ampere both. So all these are category which belongs to smartphone, smartphone based and smart application based. And there is one bulb. I think in India right now the minimum cost of IoT, you can say automation bulb, comes around at a rate of 500 rupees. But if you will going to buy this bulb in future, which will be available in next 2 months in the online market or offline both, the cost is for the retail market is only 400 rupees. So this is the change we are going to do in the IoT platform right now. And one benefit we have is our plant. This is our plant, and we are a manufacturer of PCBA. If you can see, this is our factory. This is the machine on which we are doing the PCBA testing and PCBA manufacturing. So all the devices can be made very easily in our factory.